I grabbed an ornament at Dollar Tree.
Are you ready for another craft or crap challenge? Because it is today, where I take on Chaz from Chaz's Crazy Creations, and we have a set of rules, and we each have to create something within those parameters, and then you get to decide if it's craft or crap. Let's quick go over the rules. Rule number 1, it has to be a snowman project that can stay out throughout the season. The second rule is you have to basically buy all the parts at Dollar Tree. Third rule is you have to incorporate fabric. So that's what I'm doing today.
As I mentioned, I grabbed an ornament at Dollar Tree. That's going to be the base of my snowman. Then I grabbed a slat of wood and then some yarn for fabric, some rope. I also grabbed a small canvas, and then I got to work. I took the string off of the ornament and painted it white. I made sure to get the edges, and I painted the front and the back, and I just used acrylic paint. I took a couple of coats to get really good coverage. Then I moved on to the slat of wood, and I painted the whole thing with black acrylic paint. And then I went on to the canvas and did that in black also. I covered front and back with the black paint, and then I glued the canvas together with the slat of wood, and I used a combination of hot glue and some Gorilla Glue just to give it some really good hold. And then in the seam I added a little more Gorilla Glue again. That's just to give it more hold. Then I took hot glue and the yarn and I started wrapping. I wanted the hat to look plush, so I started wrapping the chenille yarn around the whole entire piece. So the wood slat and the canvas gave it the shape, but the chenille is what's going to make it look like a fabric hat. So all I did was glue and wrap, glue and wrap, glue and wrap until I had the whole entire thing covered. And I tried to be neat with the hot glue, especially in the front, but of course you're going to get some of the hot glue that comes in between the pieces. So I tried to keep it in check as well as I could. I made sure I covered the whole entire hat, even with strips like on the smaller pieces and on the top, just so that it was entirely covered. It just gives it a much more finished look, and you just trim off the excess. Then I took the rope and I added that as a band on the hat. And the rope gives it a nice rustic feel to it. And I made sure to get enough hot glue on the ends of the rope so that it didn't unravel. I did it twice because I wanted it to be a wider band. And the rope is a little bit hard to cut, but not too bad. But again, just make sure you get that hot glue into the end so it doesn't unravel and you lose your hat band. Once I had the hat done, I pulled all the excess little strings of hot glue off. I hot glued it on to the ornament, and I put 2 buttons on the face of the ornament just so that it would kind of be a little bit of a reference point for me. Then I took my dimensional black paint and I created the face and the features. I did the eyes of the snowman, and then I went on and did the mouth. And I wanted him to have a smiley mouth. I didn't want to go with the regular kohl. I just wanted him to be like a happy snowman. And then I took some dimensional fabric paint in orange and created the nose. And then where any hot glue might have been showing on the hat, all I did was take my Mod Podge and some black glitter, and it ended up being a nice little accent and added a little more character to the hat. And to make it more stable, I pre-drilled a hole and put some screws into the back to make sure that it would really hold together. And then I drilled another hole in the back, fed the string through so that it would hang straight.
I thought I was done. I hung them up. I like them. I love them. But even Greg agreed with me on this one, so I know I have to do it. I'm going to take my little bit of my Mod Podge. I've got my little fluffy brush. I'm going to dip it in just a little bit. And then I'm going to just sprinkle a little bit of glitter. So we'll start with that and see if I need a little bit more. Now he's got just a little glimmer on the edges. You could go all over, which you know I'm tempted to do it, but I'm gonna try to resist that urge. Subtle is okay sometimes too. So let me know, would you do the glitter? Would you not do the glitter?
You can add a red flower for Christmas or plain white berries, or you could just have it just with the plain hat band, and he looks great just hanging there. He's the perfect winter decoration.
I hope you like the project. So fun to do, and I hope you give it a try. And remember, you can get featured in a future episode. We have all the rules down in the description on how to make that happen. And we have a Facebook group that you can join, so you can share your projects there too. Be sure to let me know is it craft or crap. And then hop over to Chaz's channel and let her know if her project is craft or crap too.
I have used this particular ornament shape from the Dollar Tree about 5 other times. I will have those projects linked down in the description too, and I'll see you over at Chaz's video.